Hey, welcome to Live Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business. Any tremendous online store begins the same way, with a website designer for e-commerce. These tools simplify everyone to start an e-commerce company by creating their website from the ground up. So, if you want to sell merchandise or services online, you'll need to find an e-commerce creator to help you set up your shop. E-commerce website designers, on the other hand, come in a variety of shapes and sizes, as you'll soon discover. Which is the most suitable option? Continue and listen to learn more. Number 1. Shopify. Shopify is the simplest and most dependable way to get your company online. Shopify is an e-commerce website that makes it easy to create an online shop without requiring any coding knowledge or a large budget. Shopify is a cloud-based platform that runs over 1 million companies and is known for its low prices, stunning templates, and valuable marketing tools. Suppose you choose to start a Shopify store. In that case, you can pick from over 100 professional templates with built-in features like SSL certificates, domain hosting, abandoned shopping cart recovery, and other valuable resources to help you find clients, make sales, and run your company. With Shopify's native partner integrations, you can sell an infinite number of items across your e-commerce store and through various marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Furthermore, Shopify Payments makes it easy to accept payments online. Integrate with over 100 payment gateways worldwide, including Bitcoin, PayPal, and ShopPay. You can also use one of the over 4,000 free Shopify applications to expand the functionality of your store and increase your online sales. Number 2. Square. Square is the perfect choice if you choose to sell in person and online, such as at a farmer's market or art fair. Your offline and online orders are all consolidated into a single dashboard, eliminating the need to switch between applications or rely on haphazard spreadsheets to track down customer information. In 2018, Square purchased the website builder app Weebly, so that's what's running behind the scenes as you set up your shop. It's nothing to be concerned with if you come across a URL that points to Weebly.com now and then. Square's onboarding is among the strongest in the industry. You'll be asked to fill out a short questionnaire about your business and its needs when you sign up. Depending on what you're searching for, you can create a single booking page, a complete online shop, or quick checkout links. The default theme can be tweaked to match the business section you've chosen. Number 3. Ecwid. Ecwid is the perfect place to start if you're creating an online shop but want to keep your initial investment low. It has a brilliant free package that lets you sell your first 10 physical goods, as well as competitive upgrade tiers starting at $15 per month as your business grows and you need more functionality. Additionally, there are no extra processing costs on top of the payment portal charges, so it isn't profiting from hidden fees. Ecwid's customizability sets it apart from any of the other free alternatives. To access the site creator, go to the sidebar and choose a website, then edit site. To change the style, go to themes and select one of the hundreds of choices available. There's a good base theme to start with no matter what you're planning to sell. Then use the intuitive builder further to personalize each line, text block, and picture. Though Ecwid is a fantastic free choice, the paying plans don't skimp on content. It connects with social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram, allowing you to sell directly to your fans, list your goods on Amazon or eBay, and accepts payments in person. It measures taxes, provides discounts, and keeps track of the inventory automatically. If you create a free shop on Ecwid, you won't have to think about switching platforms if your business grows. Number 4. Bigcommerce. Bigcommerce is a fantastic paying e-commerce website creator that functions similarly to Shopify. It allows you to create an e-commerce platform quickly and easily with various customization choices and themes to help you get started. Bigcommerce has several built-in functionalities that you'd have to apply to a Shopify store by applications if you needed them, such as tax setup. As a result, these functions are completely free and available right now. The user interface, like Shopify's, is very user-friendly. It's planned to walk you through the process of setting up an online shop step by step. There are no essential functions tucked away. Since all is quickly found from the left side navigation bar, this makes not only setup, but also long-term maintenance a breeze. Number 5. Wix. Most e-commerce sites allow you to add an about page, contact page, or even a simple blog to the site, but this is usually more of an optional feature than a standalone feature. Wix is your best choice to create a complete website and an online shop as part of it, but not the entire kit. It's a robust web builder, so it doesn't skimp on e-commerce features like order monitoring, sales tax automation, and abandoned cart recovery. Wix's onboarding to-do list is lengthy but thorough, with too much going on. You'll be led by setting up a professional email address, creating an email list, ads on Google and Facebook, setting up a payment portal, and many more. In addition to incorporating items like delivery prices and the shop's opening hours if you have a physical premise, it can come close to hand-holding at times, but too much direction is preferable to too little. Since Wix is one of the most successful website builders, there is a thriving third-party software and extension marketplace. There is an easy one-click install app if you want to combine your shop with accounting services like QuickBooks or delivery coordinators like Shippo. Number 6. Magento. Magento is unlike the other e-commerce website builders on the list. You don't have to pay for it because it's open source tech. It is, however, self-hosted, which means you must install it on your domain, which is hosted by a third-party server. Magento necessitates a higher level of technological experience and expertise than other e-commerce website builders on this list. It lacks the technical assistance offered by the majority of the other choices. You won't find live chat here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week about any minor issues, which can make ongoing management a little tricky if you decide to update something. Magento, on the other hand, is open source and thus allows for complete customization. You can build virtually everything you can imagine, whether you have the expertise or the money to employ a designer and developer who has those skills. This is valid if you choose to start from scratch or choose from a variety of themes. There are also free and premium themes available on this website, much like other websites. There are also a plethora of excellent plugins available to enhance the accessibility of the website. Number 7. GoDaddy. GoDaddy is best known for being a website designer, but it can also set up an online shop. GoDaddy offers a beginner-friendly construct that incorporates artificial design intelligence to create an e-commerce site quickly and easily. It uses the details you provide to build a personalized website in minutes. The disadvantage is that you don't have a lot of artistic flexibility. GoDaddy has tools for search engine optimization and email marketing strategies, but its capabilities are few. You can only sell 1,500 items on a GoDaddy website, although you can get up and running quickly. So if you're aiming for scalability, GoDaddy isn't the right e-commerce site builder for you. Number 8. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a WordPress-based open-source e-commerce website. It's not a standalone website builder. Instead, it's a WordPress plugin that lets you add e-commerce functionality to your pages. If you use this e-commerce website designer, you'll almost certainly need to hire a developer. WooCommerce allows you to handle website functions such as inventory and tax tracking, encrypted purchases, and delivery integrations with ease. WooCommerce's functionality, including those of WordPress, can be expanded with thousands of WordPress plugins and themes, as well as extensions explicitly created for WooCommerce. It's well known for having a vast developer pool that you can tap into if you need to make advanced updates to your WooCommerce shop. Number 9. Squarespace. Squarespace is an outstanding e-commerce website designer to consider whether you want something simple and reasonably modular. It's hosted, so it's another all-in-one approach, and their drag-and-drop technology allows their e-commerce models, which are all designed to be customer-friendly, to be set up in the blink of an eye. There is no need for coding, but your customization choices are minimal if you want anything exclusive. One of Squarespace's best features is the freedom to modify the design at any time without missing any of the site's content. Many of your modules will be relocated to the new configuration, meaning that your site will continue to work following the update. This is a decent choice if you think you'll be able to change it up as time goes by, or as your business grows, but don't want to deal with a lot of trouble. While this platform has fewer integrations than the majority of the ones on this list, there are enough to get you to where you need to go to make your store accessible for both you and your customers. It's all there: lost cart rescue, bulk cargo stickers, and more. Number 10, Volusion. Volusion is one of the first e-commerce website builders on the market. It was founded in 1999 and assisted you in getting your company online without the use of any extraneous features. Its site building capabilities allow you to do everything from creating a homepage and product pages to integrating with over 30 payment gateways and selling an infinite number of items. However, navigating the constructor can be challenging at times. The data is what makes Volusion stand out. You can quickly view and comprehend inventory and metrics, and see how well your online shop is doing and where improvements can be made. In its shops, it even has a built-in suggested products feature. Volusion has a few drawbacks, including the inability to market interactive goods. So whether you want to sell ebooks, songs, or art, you can look at using a different platform. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the live Hive squad and be part of our channel. Thank you for watching!